We have learned the numbers or nombor in the previous lessons. To study ordinal numbers, you must know the numeric numbers first. Refer to the links in the description if you decide to review that lessons first. Now, we will learn how to use ordinal numbers in Malay language. Not that complicated. Let's dive in straight to them. First, pertama, pertama. Second, kedua, kedua. From second to the ordinal numbers before the last, you will put this prefix ke. Only the first and the last have an irregular pattern. Third, ketiga, ketiga. Fourth, keempat, keempat. Fifth, kelima, kelima. Sixth, keenam, keenam. Seventh, ketujuh, ketujuh. Eighth, kelapan, kelapan. Ninth, kesembilan, kesembilan. Tenth, kesepuluh, kesepuluh. Hundredth, keseratus, keseratus. Let's see some examples. 123rd, ke-123, ke-123. 251st, ke-251, ke-251. 1079th, ke-1079, ke-1079. What about the last in the order of the numbers? In Malay, last mean akhir. The last, terakhir, or paling akhir. The last one, yang terakhir, or yang paling akhir. For example, in the phrase, nombor yang terakhir ialah, nombor yang terakhir ialah, the last number is. For your information, yang could be omitted without changing the meaning of the phrase, and we normally do this colloquially whenever appropriate. It is a demonstrative pronoun which could mean which. Time for some tests. Tell me the answers for these ordinal numbers in the comment section, and then I will correct your answers. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.